tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo yung kanta ng Coldplay na Fix You. So, without further ado, grab your ukulele and let's start. Okay, so mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C, 3rd fret 1st string, C major 7, 2nd fret 1st string, A minor 2nd fret 4th string, G, 2nd fret 1st and 3rd string and 3rd fret 2nd string, F, 1st fret 2nd string and 2nd fret 4th string, F. So, very basic lang. Okay, for the strumming pattern naman, sa strumming pattern, dalawa yung tuturo ko sa yung strumming pattern. Number 1 is down, down, up, down, up. Then number 2 is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Then, bibigyan ko na kayo ng konting tutorial sa plucking pattern. Easy plucking pattern. For the chord progression of the song, it's C, C major 7, A minor, and G. So for the intro, that's for the intro, verse 1, verse 2, instrumental, and verse 3. Then for the intro, 2 times nating ulitin. Then sa mga verses, verse 1 to 3, 4 times. And for the instrumental, 2 times. For the chorus naman, it's F and G. For the strumming pattern, gamitin natin muna yung number 1, which is down, down, up, down, up. Yun yung gagamitin ng nating strumming pattern. But for the chorus, it's 1 down strum lang each chord. And so yun, let's try to play the intro, the verse 1, the verse 2, and chorus. Skip ko na ulit yung instrumental and verse 3 kasi same chord progression lang naman siya sa mga nauna. So, yun. Let's play it using the strumming pattern number 1, down, down, up, down, up. Lights will guide you home and ignite your voice. I will try to fix you. Then, next is the instrumental. Same lang naman din siya. Okay, so yun. So, same lang siya sa intro. 2 times din siya, then verse 3. So, yun yung strumming pattern number 1. Down, down, up, down, up. Now, let's proceed to strumming pattern number 2. It's down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, sa strumming pattern number 2, hahatiin natin yung strumming pattern sa dalawang chord. So, same chord progression, it's C, C major 7, A minor, and G. So, ang gagawin natin, yung C, down, down, tapos biglang magsishift sa next chord, C major 7, up, 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 down, up, then A minor, down, down, G, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, ganun po. Okay, so, Yun. I will play it again hanggang verse 2 of chorus. Yung chorus same lang din. One down strum pa rin each chord. Okay? So, kung ano yung chord, strumming pattern na gagamitin nyo, yun din yung i-apply nyo hanggang verse 3. Kung number 1, hanggang verse 3 siya, ganun. So, let's play naman again, ulit. The intro, the verse 1, the verse 2, and the chorus using the strumming pattern number 2. Okay, so yun po yung dalawang strumming pattern. Number 1 is down, down, up, down, up. And number 2 is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, kung napapansin nyo, iniisip ko yung instrumental and verse 3. Kasi, kung sakali mapili nyo yung number 1 strumming pattern, yun din yung i-apply nyo for the instrumental and the verse 3. Let's proceed now for the plucking pattern. So, ito madali lang naman din. Very basic. Okay, same chord progression. So, ganito lang siya, guys. Pluck nyo yung 4-1. Sabay. 4 and first string. C. 4-1 sabay. Then, 3-2-1. Okay. 4-1. 3-2-1. Shift. Sa C major 7. 4-1, 3-2-1. Then, A minor. 4-1. 3, 2, 1, G. 4, 3, 2, 1. So, ganun lang po yun. Each chord, ganun. So, ito, for me, hanggang verse 2 ko lang talaga siya ginagamit pag tumutugtog ako nito. Hanggang verse 2 din sa instrumental and verse 3, strumming na ako. So, yun. I will play the intro, the verse 1, the verse 2, and the chorus. So, sa chorus, ganun pa rin. One down strum pa rin. Then, instrumental and verse 3, ang gagamitin kong strumming pattern is yung number 2. Yung down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, so, yun. So, let's play now the intro, the verse 1 and 2, and chorus. Hanggang verse 3. Instrumental and verse 3 yan. Using plucking pattern. When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. So tired but you can't sleep. instrumental. Two times yun. High up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go. But if you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. So after ng verse 3, repeat tayo ng chorus. So sa chorus, strumming pattern na yon, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ganun pa rin, F and G 3 times. Then interlude. Sa interlude naman, it's C, F, C, and G, A minor, F, C, and G. So, same chord progression din siya sa bridge. So, sa bridge, 2 times natin siyang uulitin. Then, after ng bridge, repeat lang ng chorus. 1 down strum na ulit yung chorus. And medyo slow mo. Kasi medyo mag-fade na rin doon. So, yan. Let's play. I will repeat it again. The verse 3. Doon ako magsisimula ng kanta. Then, repeat chorus, interlude, then bridge. And chorus till fade. Okay? So, yan. High up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go. To fix you. So that's it. Yan po yung tutorial ko ng Fix You by Coldplay. So sana po may natutunan kayo, and yan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe, and yan. God bless. Yan. Thank you.